What's going on, guys? Today we are going to be taking a look at some 1 in a billion moments in nature. Stick around for this insane ride because this is Top Things. The one thing that you would not want to happen while you are hiking up a mountain is to see a boulder coming your way. Is there anything that's scarier than seeing a massive wave coming onto land and pushing everything in its path out of the way? There are daredevils in this world, and then there are people that attempt stunts like these off of waterfalls. Sometimes Mother Nature can be really scary. A wave like this can literally destroy almost anything. Can you imagine how scary it must be to see a wave like this coming your way and you were not mentally prepared for it?
Скажи громко: Денис, улыбнись! Денис, улыбнись!
A volcanic eruption can be so beautiful and so dangerous. If one drop touches your skin, it will burn like nothing else. Many people do not understand how suddenly river channels like these can become deadly. These are the kinds of waves that you would not want to see when you are in the ocean. This is $1 million mistake, and one that this cameraman caught in slow motion.
It's about a crash.
The worst thing that can happen while you are out for lunch with your family is experiencing an earthquake and not knowing what to do. Luckily, no one got hurt doing this. Once you fall into that watery mud, well, you will not get out. The water in this situation can be a killer.
পানির কত শক্তি আমি আসছি কিন্তু এরকম বান কোন সময় বান যাই দেখি নাই পানির কি শক্তি পানির কি শক্তি পানির কি শক্তি ini bangsa salah itu kolagas sob bahasa Inggris
Can you imagine getting stuck in these waves without a life jacket? You will literally be fighting for your life. In this weather, you already have to deal with some extreme cold, you have to deal with freezing waters, and now falling ice becomes another problem. In Thailand, this began to happen to the residents of this building. Take a look at how lucky this guy in the pool was. Ever see the water start to move like this? Then get out as soon as possible. I would hate to be walking beside a building when things start to fall, kinda like this. When there is a water overflow, then you will see channels like these start to flow exactly like this, and they can actually be pretty dangerous and even potentially lead to floods. An avalanche can destroy homes and definitely take out people. And the worst part is that when it is coming your way, there's pretty much little that you can do.
天哪，这么大！不是，他是不是过来了？过来了，对，过来了，又帽子戴好，拿好了。帽子戴好了，我们可以这样吗？我操！雪姑爷，看清了。 好宝来了来了！山猫来了！我操，好冰啊！ Tidal, sicher frei.
These two were out fly fishing, and then suddenly they experienced this thunderstorm like no one else on that particular day. So there we have it, guys. We hope that you guys enjoyed taking a look at some 1-in-a-billion moments in nature. If you guys liked the video, then give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and remember that we will catch you on the next one.